Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update. First half ng July 1 to 15, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang. Okay. Let's see, Pisces. Anong update sa inyo? July 1 to 15 for Pisces. Saturn. Uy, Saturn is in Pisces right now. Saturn is the planet of discipline, structure. So I think ngayon mas may direction yung mga gagawin mo. Mas planado mo yung activities mo sa first half ng July. Kasi nandun yung discipline sa'yo no? This is also karma. So, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, yun din yung babalik sa'yo. So, kung ikaw ay magsisipag, so syempre may reward din yan. Saturn is also the planet of rewards, the planet of structure, discipline. So, kung talagang meron kang gustong ma-achieve na goal ngayong first half ng July, as long as gagawin mo yung best mo, no? Para makuha yun, makukuha mo yung gusto mong resulta. Okay? You have debilitated discomfort. So, maaring may mga challenges along the way. Kumbaga dito magkakaalaman kung gaano mo kagusto yung na makuha yung goals mo. Kasi syempre, kung gusto mo talaga, you will do things whatever it takes. Kahit mahirapan ka, kahit medyo uncomfortable, hindi komportable sa'yo, you will still do it. Diba? Capricorn energy, achieve. You are going to achieve great things ngayong first half ng July, Pisces. Given na meron kang disiplina sa sarili mo. And Saturn is the ruler of Capricorn. So talagang rewarding yan. Pero tong rewards na to ay makukuha mo lang kapag trinabaho mo talaga. Let's see your overall energy. Ano yung overall energy ng mga Pisces? Uy, the Sun. Yung iba sa inyo Pisces, blooming na blooming kayo, no? Regardless of your gender, you look so good, no? Maaring may mga taong makakapansin sa'yo, ang ganda ng skin mo, ang ganda ng mata mo, you're glowing. You're glowing. Kaya mas malakas yung iyong confidence level. You are also being more creative ngayong first half ng July. Let's see your challenge. 3 of Pentacles. Pwede magkaroon ka ng challenge sa isang katrabaho. Pwedeng meron kayong hindi mapagkasunduan na task. Or pwede ring ka-business mo na hindi kayo magkasundo sa mga pinag-uusapan nyo. So, kumbaga lang, you have to be more open to suggestions, you agree to disagree. 'Di ba? Para at least maiwasan yung conflict. Let's see your opportunity. Wow. The Death card is ending and new beginning. Okay? So, maaring merong mag-end na chapter sa buhay mo. And of course, after that ending, merong magbubukas na bagong opportunity for you. So, let's see some of you kung anong specific area of life to. Fourth house. Uy, fourth house is family life, home life. So, pwedeng sa bahay, no? Meron kayong iiwanan na bahay para lumipat sa mas magandang bahay. Yung maglilipat, no? Maglilipat kayo ng house. Or, some of you, pwedeng yung inyong values, no? Yung inyong roots, yung inyong foundation. Maaring may babaguhin kayo. Parang magbabago yung perception mo sa buhay. And it's like a rebirth. Bagong ikaw. It's a brand new you. And then your blessing is the Queen of Wands. Energy to ng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Meron din ditong energy ng Scorpio at ng Leo. So, as a blessing, there's a lot of freedom. Ngayong July 1 to 15, may exploration yung iba sa inyo, traveling to different places, exploring your talents, your skills, your abilities. Pwedeng sa career mo, may mga bago kang pag-aaralan, tutuklasin. Pwede rin sa business, may mga susubukan kang negosyo na hindi mo pa na-try before. Ayan. Let's see your money, career, finances, energy. The Knight of Pentacles. This is stability in your finances. Some of you, maaring mainip, no? Mainip kayo sa estado ng career nyo. Parang feeling nyo walang growth. Minsan kasi akala lang natin walang growth, pero nasa background, maraming nangyayari. Okay? Just keep doing what you're doing as long as masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong bibilhin na property, no? Pwede itong farm or malaki-laking lupa, kung saan dyan na kayo magre-relocate. Ten of Swords. Nako, medyo may stressful situation para sa iba sa inyo sa trabaho. Maaring yung iba na i-involve sa mga, gossip, no? Chismis within the workplace. Oo, mga kaibigan. Baka yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ika-cut off na kaibigan / katrabaho. Lalo na nalaman mo yung totoong ugali niya na hindi po pala gusto yung ugali niya. Flexibility, ayun. So, maaring may mga pag-aaralan kang bagong skills, para mas marami kang kayang gawin. The more flexible you are, the more opportunities yung pwede mong mag-grab, no? Makuha na opportunities. Kasi sabihin, mas marami kang alam, 'di ba? Mas marami kang kayang gawin. Spiritual awakening. And then Saturn, wisdom. Uy, 2 beses yung energy ni Saturn. So I think pagdating sa finances mo, sa pera mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, marami kang realizations, no, na mga bagay na dapat mong gawin at hindi mo dapat gawin base sa mga naging experiences mo before. Kasi you are awakening, no? Marami kang life's lessons na na-realize. And I think you are also setting boundaries pagdating sa trabaho, na pag trabaho, okay? Hindi mo siya masyadong hahaluan ng malalim na friendship. Lalo na kung yung iba sa inyo is, kung dati, masyado kayong naging attached sa isang katrabaho to the point na naging best friend mo. Pero ang ending, hindi pala nag-work yung connection ninyo, yung friendship ninyo. So, parang masakit siya, di ba? So, ngayon, you are setting boundaries. Sa naman, love life, you have the 9 of Cups. So, there's happiness, Knight of Wands. Some of you, if you are in a relationship, may mga travel opportunities with your person. Oo. Pwedeng, adventure. Adventure time with your romantic partner. Pwedeng kayo ay pupunta sa mga places na you've never been before. Yung iba, pwedeng yung mga extreme sports, magta-try kayo niyan together, like bungee jumping, skydiving, paragliding, mga extreme sports. Okay? Let's see what else. Healer. Healing. Oh, healing. Yung iba sa inyo, if nagkaroon kayo ng issue with a relationship in the past, no, you are healing from that. I think mas ine-enjoy mo ngayon yung current situation mo. May karelasyon ka man o wala, no? Single ka man ngayon o may bago ka na. I think ang para sa'yo, yung past na yon, you've healed from that, and you are entering a new chapter in your relationship. So I think itong opportunity kanina na endings and new beginnings for some of you Pisces is ending of a relationship in the past. Tapos, new beginnings for relationships. Kasi pwedeng matagal na kayong hiwalay, no? Pero hindi ka pa naka-move on. So ngayon, mag-move on ka na kasi meron ng bago. So let's see. The final message. Confidence. It comes with time and practice. So, ayun na nga. Mas confident kayo ngayon. Unlike before. Mas malakas yung loob mo. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, kung dati hindi kayo nakakapag-travel ng malayo na wala kayong kasama, ngayon kaya nyo na, solo travel, no? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!